Hello, BAME farm fans. This head is going on this picker before we go to the field. We have our bolts loose. Yep, it's ready to come off. We have it behind the sexiest tractor alive, our little Ford. Yep. If only it had a 1000 PTO. That'd be a beast. Woo! We have the securing bolts. That would be right there in the darkness, pulled out. So it's free. There was no drive chain. Have the hydraulics hooked up. Probably gonna end up pulling with the 1086 because the 14 is still being a little cantankerous after its injection pump rebuild. But yeah, it's got hydraulics. So we're gonna take the safety out and drop the head. Hello, darling. This is Alexis, everybody. She says hi. You saw her at the round bale moving video. Okay, lift her up. That's good. Yeah, we got our safety pin in down here. Let's remove that so we can put the head down. Okay, put it down. Keep going. Woo, we can almost put it on the ground. I just had a dumb thought. This is gonna be annoying. Because of the rotational methods of this head, the feet won't touch the ground. And of course, I'm sure nobody has the jack stands for this sucker. So I have to get a bunch of blocks. Yeah, space. Didn't quite see that one coming. Oopsie. Time to the further drawing board meeting. Now I believe we have enough pallets. For some dumb reason I thought, 2 would be enough, but we need 4 just to be wide enough to catch our feet and our tips. Now I believe we are ready to put it down. Let's see what happens. Okay, watch the top. We're about touching. Come on. A little more. A couple more. Oh, geez. Man. We're all the way down yet again. Guess I could cheat and take these bolts loose to get it off. I was hoping not to do that. Oh, maybe not. We're not quite that free. It looks like there's something that locks in the middle, isn't there? No, maybe not. But we're not that free. We could be freer. We're free at the bottom. Okay, just need a couple more blocks. I don't need pallets this time. Let's waste some wood. We'll be back with blocks. We have put extra blocks in place under the feet. I believe that is the last thing holding us up. So now let's press the lever and drop the head. Here we go. Something's happening. Yes, yes. Woo! That didn't go well, but we're free. Mission accomplished. I don't know how I ever get it put back on, but we're free. Free at last. Free at... Ugh. Did not see that one. Well, it's not factory. I guess it won't hurt any. It won't hurt. It's not going to help. This is kind of overgrown sheet metal, kind of flimsy. Yeah, we might take something and pull that back out just to look good. It's been heated, I think. Must have kinked it really good somehow. Well, it's not brand new. It's been 40 plus years since it's been brand new. At the worst, it's almost 50. Whew, it's almost 50 years old. 1970 to... Yeah, wow. Time flies when you're getting old. Well, that poses a slight problem. I have to get out a lifting device and raise up the back of the head. Take note of this, at least a foot or more. You know it's going to take at least 2 pallets and then some. Probably don't need it out front as much as in the back. Or possibly do need it out front. I don't know, this could be difficult. We'll get it one way or another. We're gonna have to lift it straight up actually, because we got the face plate is very straightly vertical and the head leans back slightly, so we want to keep this. We're gonna have to lift it up somehow, get the bucket loader out and do the same thing with a bunch more pallets. And do it the exact opposite and have the tips higher. So we're gonna need a bunch. Holy cow. I'm not gonna do this on blocks. Pallets will be safer, so I'm gonna need like 8 pallets to do this, to get these switched over. Whew. Well, we're gonna make it work. Maybe not now. We'll get back to this tomorrow. We got things to do tonight. Well, after a quick break for the snow yesterday, the ground still isn't froze, so it gives us some time today to fiddle fart around with this. I have the head set up on a big something or other to lift it up, and after, I don't know, about 5 tries of pulling it up, I believe all I have to do now is just go straight in and we're there. So now we shall just go straight in and lift it up. I got pretty lucky. I didn't measure picking out this crate thingy, set the head on. I just found it, thought it looked about the right height. Gives me a good angle. That way the head is leaning back to lift it up. Which, that'll be funny. We'll see if we run out of lift cylinder to lift this up. I don't think we will. We should have plenty of angle. I'm not using the feet, we're just kind of sitting on the beam that the gearboxes mount to. So, let's pull forward. Looks like that's not going to want to clear. Come on, guys. Well, we're going to have to pull forward. I might be able to wiggle that around a slight bit. And it's going to be mounted once and for all. Okay, I gotta cheat now. I have the little holding tab loose, so that way I can lift up and pull forward, because that safety shield, whatever, is it hitting the auger? Ugh, yeah, this isn't turning into that quick of a change. It's a pain in the butt. Yeah, you wanna roll back on me. Okay, so we're gonna pull forward, and a lift, and pull forward at the same time. The one tab will catch, so it'll be half on. Getting out of the way of the auger. There we go. And you know what? There! Something. It's half on. Now if we back up a little bit, we're either gonna drop the head there and have a big old ass mess. Come on, leave it there. Ah, piece of crap. Okay, well, you know, nothing ever goes smoothly around here. I blame the green paint. What are we hitting on? I mean, we're right there. If I got the one side, it's ours. It's coming with me. Ah, the bolts. Well, that might slide, and all we gotta do is, see, I need taller tires, which hopefully Bandit's helping with. Maybe, just maybe, our handy dandy weight here, because I don't have a wood block handy. Red to the rescue. Yes, good job, guys. Other than making it harder to back up, hopefully we'll climb up on the weight and get, move, would you? Yeah, I know, you're 100-something pounds of dead weight. So I can back up and take the head with us because we're all the way up. Yep, all the way. All the way. Yeah, I got a little puddle going. That's a little annoying. I haven't been sitting down too much. Come on. Oh, now we're leaving it behind. Good job. So now while we're up on that, we're gonna fall off. We shall be free. And hopefully, with a whole lot of good luck and a whole lot of weight, well, I'm not that fat. We'll pull this together somehow. A little bit more bolt, I guess I could try to let out. Being a pain in the butt. Because all the weight's hanging, that could be difficult. Or we could try setting it down, see if the tips touch. Kind of like that's a good idea. Oh, perfect. I got plenty. That's the thing, I'm looking at putting taller tires on this. And that's almost all the way down. So I got plenty of room to get taller tires. Great. Or plenty of height. Let's see if pulling forward will do what I want. Come on. Need to get lucky here somehow. Not quite. Okay, well, I have to get it come along or something to make this work. A really long bolt. Unless I sit just the tips back on this crate, then try to drive forward. So then the crate will take some weight. Piece of crap. I'm telling you, this farm hates green and green hates this farm. Well, I'm gonna go to the drawing board and think of something to get that latched in there. Okay, finally, I guess I'm not gonna have to pull, the bolt is long enough, and with a bunch of wrench turning, a whole bunch, we'll be here for a few minutes, and we will get the head pulled on tight up top. Woo! Good thing I plan on doing this once for a very long time. Maybe I'll have a better plan for how to set up the head. Being my first time, there's a big learning curve. I should stay there. Well, I'm gonna keep turning the wrench, and we'll get back to you guys later with something different and more interesting. Well, we're gonna show off the coolest part of the picker right here. Now what do we see underneath the hitch? Other than a lot of wind. No jack stand. This thing is almost perfectly balanced. I've already demonstrated how easily balanced it is, but there's so little tongue weight you don't even need a jack stand. Having the corn head to prop it up also helps a bunch. So we're gonna mate the red tractor to the green picker and hope there's not some wild, crazy, massive explosion or absolute disruption of the universe. There probably will be.